Here we're going to show you the differences between an Elte manual tool change spindle and the HSD quick release spindle. With the Elte spindle, tools have to be changed manually, and after each tool change you will have to qualify the tool to set its height. If most of your jobs require only a single tool, then this is not a problem. However, if you often run jobs which require 2, 3 or more tools, then changing them in this way and qualifying each time can significantly increase your overall process times. The AXYZ HSD spindles are known as quick release spindles, and even without an automatic tool change carousel, they allow the operator to change tools with the push of a button. This is much faster than the manual tool change, and also the machine will remember all the tool heights, so there is no need to set these each time. When a job requiring multiple tools is run, the machine will pause the program and prompt the operator to switch tools when needed. Most AXYZ machines with Elte spindles can be upgraded to an HSD quick release spindle.